Please go on, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Apala Mishra and I'm doing medical. और मैम जब से मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ बहुत सारे अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए हैं. कॉन्फिडेंस कभी एकदम लो हो जाता है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है. लाइक आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग बट द थिंग इज कि बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करने के बाद भी एक पॉइंट पे ऐसे लगता है कि होगा या नहीं होगा, यही रहता है दिमाग में सिर्फ एक पॉइंट.
What did you say is your name?
अपाला मिश्रा.
Apala, first of all, the fact that you're able to stand up and say this. And I'm not trying to mock anybody. I'm absolutely serious now. I'm not trying to mock anybody. But the moment Apala highlighted this as a challenge for her, how many of us felt, at least she asked that question, I didn't. Yeah? So you, Apala, have no reason to feel ups and downs. Look at how many of them who didn't ask that question. You had the courage to ask.
I'm tense. I'm so
No, you should be the last person to be tensed. Yeah, you're getting up to say, look, ups and downs. The moment you have recognized ups and downs, that's half the bridge crossed. I'm honestly telling you this. I'm honestly telling you this. And if I were to be closer to you now, I would have given you a huge hug. Honestly. Let's all understand, life is never going to be without ups and downs. Hey, boys.
Yes, ma'am, let's get
You
questions
don't
from
want answers?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Hey, come on. I've not finished the answer I'm giving Apala. But that answer is important for you all also. Don't pretend you don't have ups and downs. The typical boy mentality, no? I don't have any of this. Is so girly. And it is they who have the biggest ups and downs who pretend, oh no, none of that. None of that. The answer that is being given to Apala is more for the boys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ups and downs you always have in life. You will have more of it, don't worry. But the fact that you recognize it, and the fact you recognize that that really drains you down, is enough for you to know that you will overcome it. You have to motivate yourself. You have to motivate yourself because what comes from within is the one which stays with you. I can tell you 10 things and go away today. But unless you self-motivate, saying, hey, come on, yes, ups and downs. Yes, today was a bad day, but I will see tomorrow better. You will be better off for it. And Apala, today, I wish you that today will be the last day you will feel it. From now, you'll smash it up.
Good afternoon.